Okay, welcome all of you. Today we will discuss about the solar steel. Now, what is the solar steel and for what purpose it is used? Solar steel is used to obtain distilled water. The purpose of utilization of the solar steel is that it is used to obtain the distilled water. Now, this is the schematic diagram of solar steel. Solar steel impounds water in this area, and this upper line can be water level line or the pool level line. You can consider if this is the solar steel, then it is filled with water, and this line here you can see, this line is the, or up to this level you can pound the water in the solar steel, and the purpose of solar steel is to obtain the distilled water. Now it is covered with a transparent cover. This is the upper transparent cover, here you can see, and as it is transparent, then the solar radiations insecting over this transparent cover can enter through this cover, and this entered radiations are received by the water stored in the pond area. Now the energy of the radiations is absorbed by the water, which is mostly brackish water or saline water, and from that we obtain, or we need to obtain the distilled water. As the solar radiations are absorbed, the heat energy increases the temperature of water in the pondage area. The water stored here, the water stored in this pool area or in this pondage area, its temperature gets increased, and it results in the evaporation of water. And as the evaporation starts, the water vapors get condensed over the, or from below side of the transparent cover. The water vapors get condensed below the transparent cover, and once it get cools, the distilled water flows towards the this channel section. The distilled water flows towards this channel section at both the sides. You can see this is the condensate channel section, and from that the distilled water is collected in the storage tank.
तर खाली डर्टी वॉटर असेल का मग? हॅलो सर.